So people asking so many questions. So when I'm uploading my WordPress site, is showing for right side or left side. I can show my Facebook page for increase my likes purpose. So we're adding for which one? That is called Facebook page plugins. The plugin we can add using for widget options. The option called is widget. That is called you can using for position or footer or your sidebar. So if you open for the WordPress dashboard, the option call is appearance. Click for customize. In this customize, suppose we have the two social media icons. Already one will be there by here. Yes or no? Second one you can adding by your Facebook page plugin. That is called I'm writing for name. I'm going to the customize option. Option call is widgets. Select by the sidebar. Only show for other pages, not for the home pages. Home page is not supported by the sidebar. So this support only for footer. So that will be I'm using for content part. Sidebar, add widget, select your Facebook page plugin, copy the page URL, add it, add your width and height based on your requirement, add your like people faces, show stream nothing but your regular updates. Suppose if you disable, we can't see your regular updates. If you show stream will be enabled, you can see your regular updates. Third will be show your cover photo. Click for publish. These three always mandatory. Why? Because they will be update on your page. They will be watched. They like your page. So coming to your this home page. I'm adding home page in Facebook page plugin. We can't. Where you can adding for go to pages. In pages is a call showing for sidebar right side. When people come into here, they see your Facebook page, they click for like, they check your total content. If it's like, they okay with your content or your page. Here, my width is not comfortable. Your question is, my width is not comfortable. Increase your width. Does your wish change your? That is a theme wise. The width will be increased. Sorry. So they give only for this kind of width. They give the 500. For theme wise, they support only for this kind of will be width. Why? Because is a theme wise, we can give the width. So we can using for this is called your Facebook page plugin purpose. So you have the multiple phase plugin. You can widget accept only for one time, not like that. They can accept pages will be multiple times. That is called go for add widgets, add for one more Facebook page plugin. No issues. You can add the multiple Facebook page plugin on your widget option. Once the plugin will added, same plugin will add for once again on your WordPress site. But the positions are important. Footer or sidebar right side. So I'm remove. I'm adding only for one. Click for publish. After that, okay, check. So I'm adding in this option. As your theme wise, they set only for in this width and height option. Along with your options. So this is called adding your Facebook page plugin.